Just spotted Wayne for DL Lemons doing a bit of cultivating in the new Holland T7 315 HD. Not walking closer to him with a handheld camera because I don't fancy getting all that human waste all over my shoes. So let's get the drone up.